Hey everyone, and welcome to my Cryptopay card review. Want to use your crypto for everyday purchases? Then stick around. I've got links in the description for you to check out too. In this video, we'll cover Cryptopay's key features, my personal experience, and who this card is perfect for. The Cryptopay card bridges the gap between your crypto and everyday spending. It's a prepaid card designed for crypto enthusiasts who want to use their digital currency practically. Cryptopay offers a simple way to instantly convert crypto to fiat. The card links to your Cryptopay account, supporting Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and XRP. One of the best features is its global usability on the Visa network. Perfect for frequent travelers or digital nomads. Cryptopay is also transparent about fees. No hidden charges. The app clearly shows exchange rates, conversion fees, and spending limits. The app and website are user-friendly, allowing you to manage your crypto and card balance seamlessly. View transactions, add funds, and convert crypto to fiat instantly, all in one place. Cryptopay is reliable and easy to use. Transactions are fast, and customer support is readily available. This card is ideal for those comfortable managing their crypto and wanting a straightforward way to spend it. Cryptopay offers both virtual and physical card options for added flexibility. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss crypto card that works seamlessly with various digital currencies and offers great support, the Cryptopay card is a solid choice. Check the description for more info.